This is Breathless, Riviera Maya, Cancun, and this is the Xhale Club. This is the Xhale Club pool and the bar. And as you can see, every balcony has a beautiful jacuzzi. And right below me, and even over there, is the swim-up room pool. See that? So there's rooms down there where they can swim right out. This place is amazing. Look at this view. It's just beautiful. And then here's the jacuzzi. And then we have a seating area right here. Back over to the beach. This is the quiet pool. This is the upgraded section. And I really want to check out that hot tub over there tonight too. That would be nice. Xhale Club has their own private lounge and upgraded amenities in the room. If you'd like to book, contact me. I'll give you the best rate I can possibly find. Over and out.